Okay, we're going to do some word problems. Specifically, we're going to do add and subtract integer word problems. This is XP7 for your eighth grade IXL code. And let's look at the question. It says a submarine started 3 meters below the surface of the water. So, one quick thing is whenever it says below, that's a negative. Okay. So, I recommend writing out your numbers. So, you start at -3. Also look for where it starts because sometimes they'll write that over on this side. It is now negative. It is now 3 meters below the surface. So did was there any change? It went from -3 to -3. Is there any change? No. So the change is zero. Okay. Let's try another one since that one was kind of straight ahead, right? Okay. From 400 meters above sea level, that would be positive 400. Samantha took off in her helicopter and ascended, which means goes up, ascended. Descended means goes down. So ascended 100 meters. So plus 100. So which integer represents the elevation now? It would be 400 plus 100, which is going to be 500. Okay. All right, let's skip up a level and see different types of questions. So we're at 43 smart score. Tamir ended round one of a game show with 600 points. In round two, he scored -600. What is his total? So he started with 600, and then you're going to add -600 to that, which means he goes down to zero, right? Goes down to zero. All that hard work down the drain. Okay, we are at the 60 mark. So let's look and see what we have. It says after earning 200 points on a game show, Haley got to compete in the bonus round. By the end of the bonus round, she had a total of 650. What was Haley's score for the bonus round? Okay, so she started with 200 and then she went up to 650. So what is the change from 200 to 650? Okay, so what we could do is take 650 and subtract 200 to find out the difference, right? So 6 minus 2 is 4. So she went up a total of 450 from here to here, which means she must have scored 450 points in the bonus round to get her total, right? Because 200 plus that 450 she earned in the bonus round gave her the 650. So your answer 450. Okay, let's look at an 81 smart score problem. It says Martina started the week with 6,686 in her bank account. At the end of the week, her balance was 6,957. What was the change? So, first of all, one thing you want to know is if she starts with a positive and she ends with a higher positive, that means that she's going to have a change of whatever the difference is, right? So, we're going to take 6,957 and we'll just subtract what she started with, which is 6,686, and we'll see where she ended up. So 7 minus 6 is 1. This will be 8. 5 would be 7. 2. And 6 minus 6 is 0. So she had a positive change of 271. She started at 6,686 and ended at 6,957, which is a $271 change. Doesn't ask for us to put a number, a dollar sign, so we'll just type in 2. And this is the last one. We're at 92. The temperature started at 92. It went up 5 degrees Fahrenheit. and then down 5 degrees Fahrenheit, and then finally up 4. What was the final temperature? So she started at 92. She went up 5, then down 5, and then up 4. So 92 plus 5 minus 5. Well, if she went up 5 and down 5, this cancels to 0. So 92 plus 4 means she ended at 96 degrees Fahrenheit. Type it in. We're good on that.